I know you've been asked this before, but speaking of that fast and Ramadan, how difficult or not difficult is it playing? Kind of just giving some light to that situation.
Yeah, man, Ramadan is a special month, so it's a special time, and yeah, it's just you try not to think about the suffering too much and really focus on the journey with God and the path that you're on, and just stay focused on that and stay disciplined. It's a difficult journey, and you know, to be able to play 48 minutes and not do it with having a drink or any food in my stomach is nothing short of a miracle. So there's definitely a universal God out there that's protecting me, and I got to give credit to him.
Kleber inbound. Kleber looking in for Irving. Irving for the win. Oh my! A southpaw finish from Kyrie Irving. Just absurd. Unforgettable ingenuity from Kyrie Irving. A left-handed floater for the win.
And here we talked about the misdirection, but I said earlier in the game, you get Kyrie on that right side of the floor and just a left hand float finish. That is one of the nastiest games I have seen in a while, and to have that type of finish from Kyrie Irving. And as a former teammate, let me tell you, as soon as he released it, I have seen him make shots like that. Not a magnitude for a game winner, but man, what a shot.
That is historically ridiculous. A left-handed running floater at the buzzer. Luka in disbelief at how incredible that finish was from Kyrie Irving.